Fun with fire. Tonight doing a little box fountain. Ooh, wow, look at these stars. Star Emission from TNT Fireworks. Your item number is the APE253. I almost called it your ape number. Your item number is APE253. Emits showers of sparks. Safe and sane approved. It's registered. So something this small may not be deceiving, but sometimes these small guys have a nice crackle to them. Hopefully I get all these colors of these stars. I don't know. Well, let's check it out. Star Emission, TNT Fireworks. All right, let's check it out. Get a new lighter. All right, let's try it again. All right, finally. Let's check this out. Nice red. Very nice.